What are some of your favorite hot or cold beverages? And most importantly, are they good for you? Hi, Danna Demetre here with Lean Healthy Ageless and the co-author of the Eat, Live, Thrive diet. Today I'm going to share several of my favorites and Robyn's favorites that are not only tasty, but really good for your body. The first I want to share is this Dandy Blend. Robyn loves this, as well as many of our Eat, Live, Thrive Academy clients. Some of them decide to take a little break from caffeine, and this is a great replacement. It's super high in antioxidants. It's really a good body detoxifier, and it can be added to things like cocoa or cacao for a richer, more satisfying beverage. One of my favorite new beverages is this Four Sigmatic mushroom coffee. We actually carry it on our store, and it is a wonderful way to get healthy, immune-boosting mushrooms into your diet in a tasty way. And it has about half the caffeine of a regular serving of coffee. Four Sigmatic also carries a cacao blend. I love this one called Chill because you can take it at night as a little rich evening before bedtime drink, chocolatey kind of drink. It's only 25 calories and it doesn't keep you awake. Sometimes I do one packet of the coffee and one packet of the cacao for a mocha coffee that is so delicious and guilt-free. Another favorite we actually talk about a lot is actually the sponsor of this video, Beltway Fiber. Now, this isn't a drink you're going to sit down and sip on, but it is something you need to take daily to get adequate amount of fiber in your diet. What I love about Beltway is all natural organic psyllium, natural fruit sweetening, low in sugar and high in fiber. Now, what I'm especially excited to tell you about today is they have two new flavors. This one is pineapple passion fruit. Robyn absolutely loves this one. And then if you want to add collagen, they have a new collagen fiber product that is watermelon. Perfect timing for spring coming up and then summer. So I want you to check that out. If you would like to try Beltway for the first time, click the link provided and take advantage of the discount code if you're a first-time buyer. I'm also really enjoying this superfood chocolate cacao drink that I found on Amazon. Some of our Eat, Live, Thrive clients are liking this as well. It's all organic and it has a mushroom blend just like the Four Sigmatic. So that's another one you can give a try if you like chocolate. Lastly, I want to share 3 teas you can drink hot or cold that I think are worth adding into your beverage regime. 2 are by Numi. I really like this brand. They are high quality tea. The first one is Rooibos tea. And Rooibos has so many antioxidants. It is a richer, darker tea. Sometimes when I want something kind of like a black tea that I can put a little bit of almond milk or something to make it kind of creamy and English style, I will do the Rooibos tea because it's caffeine free, but it's, again, super high in antioxidants, lots of health benefits. Of course, we all know green tea is especially good for us, but I don't particularly like a lot of green teas. This Numi matcha toasted rice green tea is my favorite ever. I also like the Tazo mint green tea. It's the same one that Starbucks carries. And last but not least, for the end of the day, I like this Tazo chamomile calm tea. It's a wonderful way to end your day. So I hope this has given you some great ideas to add some healthier beverages into your diet. And again, as spring and summer approach, especially the Tazo mint green tea is a wonderful iced tea, as is the Rooibos. Hope you give some of them a try. And don't forget to click the link if you want to try Beltway for the first time and use the coupon code to save. And if you like this video, would you give us a like? And if you haven't yet subscribed, do so and you won't miss any of our new videos.